Hello beautiful people on YouTube, and welcome to Cooking and Loving, where we cook with love. My name is Jonathan Padronelli, and today we are making a very simple dessert from Italy, Amaretto and chocolate pudding. My dad made it a couple of years ago and I just fell in love with it. So today I'll be making it for you guys. Sigla! To make this amaretto pudding, you need the following ingredients: 500 milliliters of milk, 15 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of caster sugar, 1 vanilla pod, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 80 milliliters of amaretto liquor, 50 grams of unsalted butter, and 30 grams of amaretto biscuits. The first step to make this amaretto pudding is to warm up the milk in a saucepan. So 500 milliliters of milk, you warm it up, and the reason I'm going to warm it up and not make it hot is because you need time to do the rest and you don't want to burn it. Low heat. Now you cut the vanilla pod. So I already showed you guys. You flatten it out and you cut through the middle. You open it up. And once it's open up, you remove all the goods inside. This into here. Some people, right after they get all the seeds, they throw the vanilla pod away. But you know that there's actually some seeds stuck inside. So what I'm going to do is put it into the milk, which gives it extra flavor. Now let's put the flour and the sugar. So we have some flour and we have some sugar, caster sugar. We mix it. Combine everything together. I'm gonna get some milk and put it into here to make a smooth paste. So just some milk. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little bit, to make a smooth paste. Simple like that. Now I'm going to add a little bit more milk. Voila. Again, make it into a smooth paste. Smell already. Ooh, mama. I throw my vanilla pod, and now I'm gonna start chopping my chocolate. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna melt anyway, as long as you chop them finely. My mixture is ready, my chocolate is ready. As I said, it doesn't have to be finely chopped. My milk is ready, and now I'm gonna go prepare the glasses. Because from this moment forward, it's going to be really quick. So, this is what we're going to be doing. Now we put our mixture into the milk and stir until everything is combined together. until everything is combined together. The smell already. Wow. Now at this point you add the amaretto liquor. Smells fantastic. And you continue stirring until the milk gets thicker and almost like a cream. Oh, that smells fantastic, guys. Okay, I can already feel it becoming more thicker, so now it's a good time to put your fire onto low heat and also add your chocolate. So I'm going to add my chocolate now. The chocolate, very nice. You're going to see a wonderful reaction because the chocolate's going to melt and make it really, really nice. And now we're going to mix. As you can see, the color looks amazing. And also the smell. Once all the chocolate is melted, now you can put your fire to low heat and add the unsalted butter. The unsalted butter is here so it adds like a silkiness and a wonderful feeling and texture. Once your butter has melted, you can turn off your fire and ready to go. Once you can feel the silkiness, you can turn off the fire because that's how you know it's done. You can serve this dessert hot or cold. I suggest you do it cold. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I don't have a smaller mestolo or ladle, so I need to be careful. Try not to make a lot of mess when you're doing this. So now I'm going to just get a little bit clean and into here. Yeah, I needed a bigger one than that. Okay, let's try that again. Okay guys, so I'm going to go set these two aside to let them cool down, which is I think the best way to serve them. These enlight the mood in any household you're making this or anywhere you're making this in because it's so yummy. It has chocolate that makes kids happy and it has amaretto liquor that makes adults happy. So this is for everyone. So I'm going to go set these aside. They're hot. So I'll see you later once they're ready to serve. Until then, peace. Oh, okay. I didn't know you guys were here, so I'm gonna go get the amaretto chocolate pudding out the fridge because I put them in the fridge to speed up cooling time. So yeah. They smell really good, like really good. And now this is where the amaretto biscuits come into play. Get one, crush. And you like that. The next one, you crush and you put it in. The amaretto biscuits are amazing. Okay, now for the taste test. To taste it, I have another wonderful guest, my wonderful brother, Brandon. Come here. Hi, Brandon. You okay? You're gonna try it. Okay? You ready? 3, 2, 1. It's good?
Yeah.
Good, right?
Can I tell my to try it?
Yeah, okay. Later. Good, right? Corner.
Thank you.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video here. Like and subscribe to my channel. Alla prossima guys. Ciao!